we are putting water.
Now putting water and
It absorbs all water.
and let's so here with it we have done 4 to 5 seeds here we had grown here, and this is the first day, so it is take time to grow. So
this
we
is
had
coriander.
This is coriander, guys.
We are growing here.
Okay. The background voice is coming for that. Sorry, I share. This is coriander. This is marigold, and the less seeds here.
This finger millets.
This is red lentils, and this is the someone
Finger millets.
I can't.
Finger
I
millets.
forget it. Yeah.
These are finger millets.
So we are here too, guys. We are putting here also.
Small places we are putting now.
I think it is easy for the first day, and we have to take care for the last 2 weeks. That means for the future also we have to take care of it.
We will also show you how we are doing it.
And we are the brother sister. I am Aditya, and my small sister is Tanvi.
Who is doing this?
So guys, after 1 month or for 3 to 4 weeks, it will like the small garden. Yes, it is the mini India. So this is the seed of. This is the mustard seed. We are growing it. Here red lentils. Here the marigold, and here the coriander. And in this we hadn't put in. Now seeds we will put in it after sometimes, and after 3-4 days we will show you how it is. This is the red lentils. I think here also I had put in the red lentils here.
No.
Okay. This is the finger millet, ragi, I think so. So
There
guys,
are 6
this
seeds. You
is
will
6
get
seeds here. The coriander, the tagetes, the brassica nigra, Figina radiata, Trigonella foinum, and the Lens culinaris, and the last Luc corcana, the finger millet, I can say it.
And you can
And this is the box, the jungle magic, garden science, explore the magical world of botany. Means the
20
growth.
exciting experiments here. And
So-
there you can grow any seeds from them. In simple language we can tell it coriander, marigold, mustard, green gram.
We can say it moong dal. Okay, it's moong dal. Okay, I think so. And it is methi.
In Hindi we can tell that.
And this is
These
the
are
masoor
red
dal.
lentils.
Means masoor. It is masoor dal. Okay. So here we are ragi. We are it, and this is the box, and we have done it like this only. Guys, 2 minutes. This is our India. Here,
We have too much seeds.
I think that it will look nice when it grow in 3 or 4 days. So guys, we are waiting for that 4 days, and we are excited also that it will grow and it will look most. I think it is very nice also. So guys, we are showing the zoom view. Means close view. We can tell it. This is coriander, the marigold, and the marigold.
And in 3 pots we had grown red lentils.
And I think I forget it. I have tell you guys, and the previous only I have tell that.